xtool D1 Pro 20W Laser Cutter and Engraver. The xtool D1 Pro 20W is one of the most powerful cutting, engraving diode laser machines in the market. This DIY kit, featuring an aluminum robust open frame construction and stainless steel rollers and linear rails, is easily assembled thanks to the detailed instructions. The D1 Pro 20W is equipped with a laser module comprising 4 5W diode lasers focused on the same spot, which provides the incredible output laser power of 20W. A 10mm basswood or an 8mm acrylic plate can be cut through it. The machine features a lightning-fast maximum speed of 400mm per second, yet providing high accuracy of up to 0.004 in. 4 limit switches on both axes prevent the laser head from hitting the frame and allow setting the machine's home position and working with absolute coordinates. To ensure safe operation, the D1 Pro is equipped with a flame detector and a shake sensor. Compatible materials. The xtool D1 Pro can work with a wide range of materials. The machine can be used to cut most kinds of wood, including plywood and composite, paper and cardboard, cork, acrylic, leather, and others. All these materials can be engraved as well. Besides, the D1 Pro can engrave coated metals, stainless steel, plastic, marble, stone, ceramic tiles, glass, and more. You can find the optimal material settings on the manufacturer's website. The D1 Pro 20W has a capability of color engraving on metals like stainless steel due to oxidizing of the metal surface by a powerful laser beam. Working area. The working area of 430 by 390 mm allows you to implement large-scale design projects or to engrave multiple smaller patterns at a time, which can be extremely helpful for small businesses. The maximum workpiece height of 50 mm can be increased with the use of optional risers. Each riser set adds 45 mm to the maximum height. Software. The xtool D1 Pro comes with the proprietary xtool Creative Space software. Applications. The xtool D1 Pro is a perfect choice both for hobbyists and small to medium laser engraving businesses. Equipped with a powerful 20W laser, the machine is incredibly efficient and allows for tons of various applications, be it a homemade personalized gift for a friend or batch production in a craft workshop. What's in the box? xtool D1 Pro 20W assembly parts, material pack, aluminum protective sheet, part storage box, tools and screws, TF card, all necessary cables, safety goggles, user manual. xtool F1 laser engraver. The xtool F1 is a high-speed compact laser engraver which provides excellent engraving accuracy alongside wide material compatibility and ease of use. The combination of a 10W diode laser with a wavelength of 455 nanometers and a 2W 1064 nanometers infrared laser greatly expands the range of compatible materials. With the F1, the user does not have to waste time on reassembling the laser head, as switching between the two laser sources is performed seamlessly in the XCS software. The industrial-grade Galvo system allows for an incredible speed of 4,000 mm per second, making the F1 one of the fastest laser engravers in the market. Compact size and weight of only 4.6 kilograms make the F1 a truly portable device, and handheld engraving allows using it not only on the desktop, but literally on the go, greatly enhancing engraving opportunities. The protective cover safely blocks harmful laser emission and can be set at any height. The built-in fan extracts smoke and fumes and can be supplemented with an optional desktop air purifier for extra protection. Compatible materials. Thanks to its dual laser source, the xtool F1 can process a wide variety of materials. With the 10W diode laser, the machine is capable of engraving on paper, wood, leather, MDF, stainless steel, some dark opaque acrylic, bamboo, fabric, dark glass, ceramic, jade, marble, shale, cement, brick, plated and painted metal. Besides engraving, the diode laser also allows cutting paper, leather, felt, MDF, wood, and acrylic. The machine can cut an 8mm wood or a 5mm acrylic plate. The 1064 nanometers infrared laser is ideal for engraving on plastics and metals. What's in the box? xtool F1 Laser Engraver, all the necessary cables, user guide. xtool M1 Laser and Blade Cutter. The xtool M1 is the world's first hybrid cutting and engraving machine combining diode laser technology and blade cutting. The use of blade cutting for delicate materials, like paper, vinyl, or thin leather, enhances the flexibility of the machine and allows avoiding discoloration and burn marks as well as toxic fumes evaporation. The combination of the laser and blade modules in a single head reduces the machine cost and greatly adds to the convenience and ease of use. Featuring the dual laser technology that combines two laser beams into one spot, the M110W provides better cutting capabilities compared to other machines with the same optical power. An 8mm wood or a 3mm acrylic plate can be cut through in one pass. The compressed spot technology used in xtool machines ensures high precision and accuracy with the laser spot size as small as 0.08 by 0.08 mm. With the AI focus technology, which automatically detects the type and thickness of the material, the user does not need to set the focus and cutting parameters manually. Compatible materials. Due to the combination of two cutting technologies, the xtool M1 can handle more than 300 different materials. Different types of wood, acrylic, or paper can be cut or engraved using the laser module. Besides, the powerful precise laser can engrave perfectly on metals, such as stainless steel or anodized aluminum, glass, stone, ceramics, and other materials. You can find the list of compatible materials and the optimal settings on the manufacturer's website. Working area. The working area of 385 by 300 mm is large enough for most of your creative home projects or even for a batch production of smaller items, which is especially helpful if you have decided to start a business. What's in the box? xtool M110W. Basic material pack. 10 triangular prisms, 2 cutting mats, 5 replacement blades, exhaust pipe kit, all necessary cables, user manual.